Welcome to Tikiliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome slow downloading issue on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now at first, just go to the bottom right of your screen and right click on the internet and click on Open Network and Internet Settings. Then from here, under Advanced Network Settings, go to Change Adapter Options. From here, if you're using Ethernet, you'll find Internet, and if you're using Wi-Fi, you'll find Wi-Fi. Just click on it and click on Properties. Then just go to Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4 and click on Properties. Then make sure to use the following DNS server, and from here just select the DNS server of your likings. I'm gonna use the Cloudflare one. So for the preferred one, it's 1.1.1.1, and for the secondary one, it's 1.0.0.1. So click on OK, click on Apply, click on OK again. Then close this. Close everything. Then just go ahead and open up Google Chrome. From here, just click on the three dot icon and go inside Settings. From there, just go inside System and make sure Continue Running Background Apps when Chrome is closed is turned on. And also make sure this option, Use Graphics Acceleration when available, is also turned on. And after that, just go to the URL bar and delete everything from here except for Chrome clone // then type here flags and hit enter. From here, search for download flags. And make sure your parallel downloading is enabled. And after that, just open a new tab, click on got it, and then just go to the three dot icon again, then go inside extensions and click on manage extensions. And if you have a bunch of extensions here that you don't use, make sure you just click on remove and remove the unnecessary ones. Then just go ahead and restart your PC and relaunch Chrome, and hopefully your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to fix slow downloading issue on Google Chrome in Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.